Hey guys, so this is graduation week. I'm currently at work, obviously vlogging. I'm not doing my job. It's okay, I'm the first person here. Like, I opened the shack, so I ain't gonna get in trouble. But it's graduation week. Today is Tuesday, oh god, Amber Alert. I hope they find that kid. Tuesday, May 15th, and I'm gonna be going to Philadelphia tomorrow. Sorry about all this background noise. I just like literally couldn't vlog before I got to work because I didn't have my car and I was in an Uber because my car got flooded, guys. So sad. I'm gonna enter a clip after this so you guys can see my poor baby. I absolutely love him, and right now he's dead, and I'm waiting on somebody to come see and assess the damages. Hopefully my insurance covers it, but we shall see, because it's like a natural disaster thing. It was raining cats and dogs in Miami, and basically like my car just couldn't handle it, man. We died in the middle of the road. But that's another story for another day. So basically this week, I'm just gonna take you along for my travels back to Philadelphia for my graduation from my master's program. Hoot hoot, you girl did it. I gotta take out my hair tomorrow night when I get to Philadelphia. I'm gonna have my cousin help me because this is a lot of hair to take out and I really need to take it out. Also, on my face, I am wearing right now the Dior Forever Undercover foundation, the one that's for like oily people. So guys, I really hope this works out because I want to wear this foundation to graduation. I do like the way it looks on my skin. It looks very, very good. This foundation was $52, so I really, really hope it works, if you catch my drift. But yeah, I'm just gonna go about my day right now. I guess this is my last day of working this week before I leave, and then I come back next Monday, and just hopefully this just goes well, because trust me, I've just started out the week so shitty with my car and stuff, and like all this other stuff just happening. I'm just like ready to get on this plane tomorrow morning and just go. I'm also not even gonna sleep tonight because I gotta film 2 videos before I leave and edit like another 2 videos that I have just sitting in my computer that haven't been edited because I've been lazy, because I need to post today. I'm still doing like my giveaway, but by the time this video posts, it will be closed, so don't come hassle me for that giveaway or whatever. It's just a hot mess. So yeah, I'm gonna go about my day. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and you know, we'll see where this journey takes us. I was driving through this, and now I'm stuck here. See? This is what's happening to my life. Alright, guys, it is officially the night of day 2. I think it's like almost 10 o'clock. I am starving, and I really wanted some la bouillie banan. If you Haitian, you know what that is. I don't even know how to explain it, except it's like oatmeal made with plantains, kind of, but it's not oatmeal. It is oatmeal. Anyways, I really wanted some, and my mom didn't want to make me any, and she forced me to make it. And bitch, guess what? My shit came out real good. Look at her. Came out super, super good. I'm super excited to eat it. Can't wait to eat. I'm starving. But yeah, it's like, I'm pretty sure like 10 o'clock. I still haven't packed like anything, and my flight's at 5:40 in the morning, which basically means I'm probably not going to sleep, which is not fun, which means I'm gonna have to sleep on the plane. But I kind of wanted to like edit or read a book or something, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's just the end. Honestly, I'm just gonna edit a few videos, watch a few YouTube videos that I've really been like missing out lately, and start packing like all my crap so I don't forget anything. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning bright and early, where I'll probably be very, very sleep deprived. So yeah, Lego. Okay guys, it is currently 4 o'clock in the morning. I basically got about like 2 hours of sleep. I'm exhausted. I look terrible. all I could do this morning were my eyebrows. I couldn't be bothered to do anything else. I am headed to my gate now. My flight leaves at 5:40, and I'm so mad that I have a connecting flight because I just hate connecting flights. But whatever, I just need some Starbucks if this airport had Starbucks. So I also hate the Fort Lauderdale airport. I like going to Miami a lot more, but Southwest only flies here, so whatever. But yeah, that's just really it. I can't wait to board so I can just go to sleep and knock out for like that hour flight and then wake up and do what I actually need to do during the other flight. Also, my life hates me and Starbucks is closed. Why? So, I also wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. This is what I am wearing to the airport. If this looks familiar, it's because it is. It's because this is the same outfit that I wore in my vlog to Haiti. If you guys saw that, I just don't know why I love these overalls and they're so comfy to travel in. So yeah. Okay guys, I have officially landed in Philadelphia. It's raining and kind of chilly. I'm very upset. I had a really rough flight because my ears were not having it. They were so clogged, it was unreal. And now it's cold and I have a cold and this is just not working out for me. I just picked up my regalia and my graduation tickets. So now I'm going to meet my friend for lunch so I can go home and take these disgusting braids out of my hair. Morning, guys. So it is Thursday, the day before graduation, and I'm sick. I've gotten sicker. Well, today I feel better because like last night I pumped like mad meds, but I've just gotten, like yesterday it was so bad. And I'm at my aunt's house right now, and they went to go pick up my mom, and so she's coming in today, and or whatever. And I took my braids out last night. I was going to wash my hair, but I think I'm gonna avoid washing my hair for a while. Well, until I get back to Miami, because I'm sick and I feel like if I wet my hair, it's gonna make me sicker. And it's kind of cold here, cold, wet hair, all that stuff. It's just not a good mix. So I'm basically gonna like deep condition my hair and like braid it so I can like put my wig and lay that shit for tomorrow. But I'm just so upset that like a little bit of sniffles became like a full-blown cold yesterday. I couldn't breathe. Like I was dead. I was like a zombie. It was so terrible. Right now I'm actually drinking some Theraflu to really kind of help alleviate some of this like cold symptoms or whatever. It's like this one nostril is super clear and I can breathe easy peasy, and then this nostril is like so clogged and I don't know what to do, and like I can't blow it, like nothing is coming out, it's just clogged, like, which might be TMI, but like whatever, you know, we keep it real here. So yeah, so today, like I said, I'm about to like open up some boxes I left at my aunt's house. They have like conditioners and stuff in them because I didn't bring any with me, so I can like comb out my hair with some conditioner so like I don't rip all of it out or whatever. And then I think I'm gonna go get soup dumplings later with my friend. I was supposed to go get my nails done, but at this point I'm just like so over it. Like I don't even care. I think I'm just gonna like paint them myself and call it a day, because like it's only for one day. I don't think anybody's gonna care if I have my nails done or not for graduation. Like I don't know, maybe I'm just being extra, but yeah, that's really just like what's going on for right now. Hopefully something more exciting can happen. I think tomorrow will be more exciting, but I really hope that the sun comes out, because it's like I feel like all my pictures are gonna look so like dead because it's so dark and it's just been raining and it's droopy, and I'm like, how is this gonna work for graduation? So hopefully, you know, Mr. Sunshine says, hey, here I am. But we'll see. So yeah, I'll check back in obviously throughout the day, and you guys will probably stop seeing my face because you're like, girl, do you not know anybody else? Yes, I do. I just don't like to vlog my friends and family because I just want to, you know, keep a little bit of privacy. But I mean, I'll show them every now and then. But you know what I mean, Jesus. Like, yeah. Okay, so let me stop rambling because I do that a lot. And yeah, hopefully my nose gets better and I can do some stuff today. Okay guys, so this is what my nails are looking like. They're very shiny right now just because I have oil on my cuticles, I guess. But they look very good. Right now we're about to go eat some soup dumplings because it's our favorite. And I haven't had it since I left in December. Actually, probably prior to that because I don't usually go very often. But we're about to go. We're about to get lit. And I'll obviously share all the food with you guys. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, and I also took my hair out, managed to get my hair into this high ponytail. My face is shiny. I need to go home and do a mask, or I need my beauty rest tonight for graduation tomorrow. I can't believe I'm graduating. Ew, that's disgusting. My God, guys, I'm about to go in. I've got soup dumplings. I've got pork and shrimp shumais. We've got chicken sticks. We've got scallion pancakes over there. She got the same thing as well. Some kind of shrimp dumpling. What are these? Pork buns? I don't know. We have tea. It's lit. And I'm about to be in a food coma. So that's really the end of the story.
Gilly Pamphile. Megana Pisupati. Juan Andres Polanco. Ebenezer Riverson. Molly Dyer Shipman. John R. Spikes II. Elena M. Turkey. Ijoma Unachuko. Christopher I. Wachuku. Michelle Denise.
Okay guys, so graduation is officially over. Thank you, Jesus. I did this really super easy glam look for graduation. I'm definitely gonna do a look for you guys and put it on my channel so you guys can see how I got this look. The lips wore off, but like that's because I went to eat and it like I went in like. But yeah, I'm also wearing Lily lashes. These are my first time wearing Lily lashes, and I got so many compliments today on my lashes because these are so cute, and this is in the style Miami. I also had the easiest time applying these, which I was super shocked by. I thought I was gonna like struggle, but they went on like a dream, and I absolutely love them. They feel like so good. It's like feather like on my eyes. I love it. But yeah, I'm really sick, and right now it's like allergies and cold at the same time, so basically I'm dying. So anyways, now I'm just at home because it's honestly like only 2 p.m. because these people did this graduation so early. Like, I didn't sleep at all last night. I was awake since like 3:30, like trying to blow my nose, basically dying in my bed. And then my alarm rang at 5 because we had to be over there at 8. It was just like a hot mess, and it was cold. It was raining this morning. But of course, right when we leave the restaurant and we're like on our way home, it's freaking sunny as could be. It's sunny in Philadelphia today, and I'm like, okay, what happened this morning? So aggravating, but whatever. I'm just glad everything's over. It all went really well, and of course, in true fashion of my life, they gave me the wrong hood for my graduation. I didn't realize that until we were all seated in like that fucking auditorium. And I'm like, why does everyone have a blue hood and mine is like all black? And I'm like, noted. So I think I might get another one from them because I talked to the lady, but they'll probably never send me another one. So I'm just gonna be that girl with the black hood instead of the blue hood. I really don't have any other plans for the day because I'm so tired and sick. I just want to stay home and relax. And like you could tell, like all my makeup rubbed off my nose because I've been like blowing my nose all day. I'm just trying to stay home, relax, take a nap, to be quite honest, and then like figure out my life. And tomorrow's the royal wedding, so you know I gotta wake up and watch that. So I need to rest up now. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to like update you guys on what's been going on, because I'm sure like you've just been seeing random clips of like things. So I just wanted to just let you know what the deal was.